A rectangular lot has a perimeter of 140 meters. If the length of the lot is 20 meters more than its width, what is its area? Okay, so let us draw the figure. So we have rectangular lot. Okay, so let's draw the rectangle. So it is given that the perimeter of the rectangular lot is 140 meters. So perimeter is equal to 140 meters. If the length of the lot is 20 meters more than its width. So this is the width. So let the width be bx. So the length will be 20 meters, 20 meters more than. So the length will be x plus 20 because it is 20 meters more than its width. So the question is, what is its area? So what is the formula for area of a rectangle? The formula for area is equal to length times width. First, we need to solve the value of x. So we will use the formula for perimeter. So the formula for perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So we substitute our width is x and then the length is equal to x plus 20 and the perimeter is 140 meters. So substitute all the given to this equation. P equals 2L plus 2W. So we have P is equal to 140 equals 2 times L. The value of L is x plus 20. And then we have 2W. So W is x. So we have 2x. So we can solve for x. We can distribute 2 or we can divide first by 2 since all are divisible by 2. We have 140 equals 2 times x plus 20 plus 2x. So divide all terms or divide both sides by 2. Okay, so cancel out the 2, also the 2 in here, and then 140 divided by 2, that is equal to 70. So 70 is equal to x plus 20 and then plus x. So combine the x. So we have 2x plus 20 and then that is equal to 70. Subtract 20 to both sides. So we have 70 minus 20, that is equal to 50 equals 2x. And then divide both sides by 2. So therefore, the value of the x, the width, that is equal to 50 divided by 2 is 25. So therefore, the width is equal to 25 meters and then the length is equal to 25 plus 20. So the length is equal to 45 meters. So now let's substitute the length and the width to the formula. To this formula, area is equal to length times width. So we have 45 times 25. So let's multiply this manually. So we have 45 times 25. 5 times 5, we have 25. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2. We have 22. And then 2 times 5, we have 10. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. So we have 9. So add this, we have 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1, 2 plus 9, that's equal to 11. So therefore, the answer is 1,125 square meter. So the answer is letter C. Follow for more.